What's going on, cousins and cousinettes? It's your boy, your cousin Cleatus. Hey, we are at the new Cleatus compound. We'll show you around a little bit. So, bought a new house in the city where I've already lived, but it's in city limits. It's got a good amount of land. I got almost all the cars over here. We got a shop. We've been clearing out the land a little bit. Got a lot more work to do, pulling stuff out of the weeds. This is a bunch of tools. We'll cover that in just a second. But a little shop there. Yeah, taking that tractor, we're just clearing it. A lot of land out here. Well, I say a lot. It's only like 3 acres, but it's a lot for inside city limits, which is awesome. You know, got plenty of parking. Plenty of work. I say it enough, I guess. But this tractor's making short work of a lot of it. As you can see, I've been, sun messed that up, didn't it? Alright, we're back. Alright. Sun messed that camera up. But you can see I've been smoothing out, trying to make this land a little more flat. It's pretty bumpy, so I've been taking the tractor and pushing and pulling and moving. I've got a little thing to park cars under over here that I've been cleaning out. All this was grown over, and I've still got some more to clear out and clean out. But I've been working on it, getting it all smoothed out. I don't know if I'm gonna put rock down here, or I'm gonna try to put asphalt or what. But cars can go into here and they could park in here. You know, this was here on the land, obviously. Pretty old, but it seems to be pretty solid. So it should be all right. We'll finish clearing all this junk out. See, there's more junk there. I've been smoothing dirt out over here too. Lane goes back that way, comes around, goes all the way that way, comes around, goes all the way to the front, comes around, and then it goes right. I don't know if y'all can see these fence posts, but it goes right up here and then back there. So pretty good amount of land for city limits for sure. House is pretty good. We're not gonna go through it, but a little upstairs, downstairs, got a little sunroom. But the reason I really wanted it is for the shop, you know, besides having land inside city. But the shop's pretty good. I'm thinking about building a second shop that we can get in and out of a little easier. This one's a good shop. It's long, but it's not very tall, the entryway. But coming back here, you can see I've been out here cleaning and clearing too, which again, a lot more work to do. There's an old dog pen back here. Figure I'll get it all cleaned up. It's a pretty big one too. It goes from all the way there and comes all the way to the other side of these trees here. And there's a dog house in there. It's a pretty good sized little house. But I'm gonna get all this cleaned up, and I think I'm gonna put goats in here. I like goats, but I don't want them to know my whole land. But we'll step in here. There's plenty of tires and wheels everywhere that I'm still getting rid of, guys. I don't know why they were collecting them, but on top of the roof is a bunch too. But this little dog pen is pretty cool. Not a bad little house. Little dog house. But alright. Let's walk back up to the front. And we'll check out the treasures. Oh, look at that old seat. What do y'all think? Probably like a 80s, late 70s Oldsmobile, something like that. Seat with all that extra little pad on top. Anyway, yeah. Let's go back up to the front up here and check out these tools that I pulled out of the weeds with this cabinet or whatever. I just hooked the tractor to it and pulled it straight over here. I seen there were some tools in there. I was just going to add it to the trash pile. Oh, man, the allergies are going crazy right now. Alright, I'll turn it back on when we open it. Alright, so back at the front of the shop here, this is where we pulled out this cabinet. Bunch of junk. Kind of some old tools there. Yeah, mostly just a bunch of junk, but there are some old tools I'm gonna pull out and see if they're any good. See if I can get them back to working condition. We'll get them all cleaned up. There's trailer lock with key. We'll get them all cleaned up and see if any of them are any good. That'll give me some chances to make some more videos since I haven't been making a whole lot, but as you can see, we got plenty to work on. So appreciate you guys. I know I haven't been posting a lot, but we're gonna post some more. So just now that we got a shop to work in, we're gonna see some more. You guys stay cool and see you later.